Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to UniSuper account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser on your computer or your mobile device. In the web address bar, type in www.unisuper.com.au and press enter. This is the official site for UniSuper. UniSuper is an Australian superannuation fund that provides superannuation services to employees of Australia's higher education and research sector. To log into your account, go and click the login button at the top right hand corner, and in the login area, you may go ahead and enter your username and your password and log in. If you've not registered yet for an account, you can click on this register now link beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompt. After registering for an account, you can log in and access your account whenever you want. You'll need to type in the username associated with your account in the login area and go to the next field to type in your password. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can click the don't know your username or the forgot your password link respectively. After filling in your details, click the login button in order to access to your UniSuper account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.